Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2019 Nissan Altima, and in this quick video I'll show you how to replace your low and high beam bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing, let's pop the hood. Okay, so let's take the latch, open the hood. Alright, for this procedure we will need 10mm ratchet, 10mm socket with a ratchet, and flathead screwdriver. Let's start with the passenger side, it's a little bit easier. So this right here, the round one, is our low beam, and this is high beam. High beam is very simple. You get your hand in, over here, spin it, take it out, disconnect the bulb from the connector by pressing this middle thing here. You press on it and pull on the bulb out. So I need two hands to do this, but you got the point. Press middle piece here, press it down, and with the other hand you pull out the bulb. Then go to the parts store, get replacement bulb or order online, and replace it. Very simple. With the low beam it's a little bit more trickier. The low beam light is right here. As you can see, we are very limited on space here, so this is how we do it. We're just gonna get this clip out, get the clip out, and you should be able to take out this part here. And now from here we are able to get our hand inside and get the bulb out like this. Then we just put it back in, same way like we do with the high beam, and click it, spin it till it clicks. Very simple. And when we're done, we put this back. Put this back. And put the clip back in. Very simple. Now the driver's side. Driver's side is a little bit more trickier, since we are very limited on space to work here. Again, high beam is very good. You just get your hand in and you're good to change the high beam, but the low beam, it's in there inside. So how do we do this? I found the easiest way is like this. Just get the air filter housing out of your way. Also, by the way, this is how you change your air filter. Just get this out of your way somehow, okay? Just secure it, get the filter out, put it here for now, and now you are able to take, of course it's better to take the watch off, and then you are able to, using your fingers over there, you can actually get and disconnect the bulb. It's impossible to film here, guys. As you can see, the angles and the space is very limited, but you got the point. You get your hand inside. Again, if you need more space, you can get the housing out by removing this screw here. Then you have to remove a couple of screws here, get this plastic out, and then you'll be able just to get this part out, and then you'll have much more space to work on. Yeah, when you're done, just put the filter back in like this and wiggle the cap back in. You put that end first, then you put this end. Put this end, close it with these caps, and you're all set. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.